Hi everyone. Alright, so I want to introduce you to a brand new course that I've just developed. This has been something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. It's also been highly requested on all of my social media platforms. So I'm going to be showing you my entire 3D fashion design workflow. So we'll be starting off with Dash 3D to generate a 3D character. Then we'll be heading over to Marvelous Designer, where we'll be actually creating our Cyberpunk bomber jacket from start to finish. So I'm going to be showing you a lot of really awesome tips and tricks for creating garments. And then we're going to be pushing our garment from 80% to 100% with ZBrush, where we'll be doing some additional sculpting and even adding on accessories like eyelets and studs. And then we'll be doing realistic texturing with Substance Painter, and this is going to be a really fun and awesome process to complete, because with texturing we can add a lot of personality and storytelling just through the texturing itself. And then I'm going to be showing you how to also take this over to Cinema 4D and Octane Render, so we can set up studio lighting and then bring it to a complete and high quality finish. The difficulty of this course is going to be considered to be intermediate to advanced, because I'm not really explaining the UI, but I am explaining every tool that I'm using, just so it makes it a lot easier to follow along. Right, so if you've been wanting to gain access and dive deep into my entire workflow for creating garments, then this is going to be the perfect tutorial for you if you want to get into 3D fashion design. Keep in mind that the methods that I'm using throughout this tutorial are not focused on very clean game-ready topology. Instead, this is going to be focused on doing 3D concept art. So I'm doing this with the main purpose of saving out still images, but you're going to see the entire process of how I actually go ahead and create these garments from start to finish. And on top of that, instead of just giving you knowledge, I'm also supplying you with some resources that you can use with future garments. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm adding accessories in ZBrush, which means there's going to be additional resources like the eyelets, the studs. There's going to be tileable patterns that you can also use with your garments. So you're getting resources and knowledge throughout this entire course. It's jam-packed with information and what I consider to be a lot of value, and I think this will be probably one of the best Marvelous Designer, or should I say 3D fashion workflows out right now. And you're going to gain access to my entire workflow, so go ahead. If you really want to push your garments a lot further, the course is available for you to gain access to right now. So check the description or the top comment to gain access to that link, so you can go ahead and obtain this course. Thank you so much for the support, and stay tuned for some more videos, tutorials and courses that I'll be doing in the future as well. Alright, goodbye.